Hello guys, it's me, Aniki, and welcome to another gameplay of Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake. And in this video ay lalaroin natin yung Chapter 7 ng game na to, which is under the name Sae. Yun yung title ng chapter. And basically, just to give you a recap, so galing tayo dun sa underground, hinahabol tayo ni Sae, and unfortunately, dahil nataranta yung character natin, ay nabitawan niya yung camera obscura, leaving us with no weapon at all to defend ourselves to upcoming raids or kay Sae, sa atake ni Sae. So what I'm thinking is parang magiging stealth ano siya, stealth mode, parang ganun, tago-tago, iwas-iwas gameplay. But again, it's just me predicting things. But let's see. And kung ganun man ang mangyayari is makakadagdag siya sa thrill ng game na to. Kaya naman, without further ado, here is my gameplay of Chapter 7 ng Crimson Butterfly Remake. Enjoy, guys! Hmm. Bubuhay ba tong mga to? Obvious naman na sila yun. Ayun, bago pa kayo dyan. Nata naman na kayo yan. Ay, okay na yung mga shit. Takbo na, takbo na, takbo na. Parang ano siya, no, yung rate. Ay! Mo! Duck. Side, side. Hindi tayo nakita. Diyos ko, huwag ka na mag-flashlight, makita pa tayo. So wala tayong camera. So anong gagawin natin dito? Save muna tayo. Okay. Save. Saka ba't wala tayong mapa? Kompleto na natin to ah. Na ano, nalock ulit. So, pupunta natin yung mga pwede nating puntahan. Ay, ano? Mataguan. Si ano? Uy! Ay, okay naman siya. Ah, ganun ha. Ano tayo taguan? Yun. Gago ka ah. Loko mo ko ah. Ano siya?
Stay with me.
Uy, pumili siya.
Yoy, we promise.
Dito siya, oh. So, hintayin natin siyang makalayo-layo. Kita ko siya, ayun, oh, di ba? Buti lang di tayo lumabas agad.
Are you going to break your promise and leave me again?
Konti pa, para sure. Sure ball. Gabi na nga ba, babalik eh. Ay, susun. Or paikot-ikot lang siya dito sa lugar na to. So, we need to, rush through the, entrance and then balikin din. Meron, ano nga siya? Promoronda? Kaya ang hirap gawa ng walang mapa, oh. So, Promoronda siya dito, eh. Ito, oh, yung paikot na ganyan, eh. So, once na lumabas siya dito, punta natin tong butterfly door. Tatami wing siguro. Hindi pa siya nalabas dun sa kabila. Timingin lang natin, oh. Palikuin lang natin siya. Yan, go. Dali mo, putik. Ano to? Kunin mo. Ano yun? Dito siya. Makatagpuan kayo nga
I've been waiting.
Kita kaya tayo? Hey! Buti na lang. Mga 10 seconds. Hindi na. Oo, go. Ito na siya. Sa likod.
Not here.
Bulaga. Ay, hindi. Nakakaano to, nakaka-tense. So, wait lang, babaying lang ako. So, saan pwedeng puntahan? Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-mute. So, labas dito, tatami wing. Ano to? Oh, may prayer beads, oh. Butterfly door. Di pala natin napuntahan to. Ikutan na lang natin pag ano. Nandun kasi siya sa labas eh. Oh, just in case. Prayer bead. Ito na open ba to? The Heavenly Bridge is up ahead. So, a single dial is placed on the mechanism, but it's not doing anything right now. The mechanism looks like the one on the earthly bridge. Ah, okay. Kailangan natin kunin yung partner niya. Search for the mechanical dial. Saan? Oh, akala ko. So we really need to explore. So saan to ito lang naman yung hindi natin na-access pa. Tachibana House Storeroom. Tatami wing. So we need to do okay, let's go. Ay, nawala agad yung orientation. Tara natin siya, may taguan naman tayo dito. Diretso.
Open the door. Open it.
Sino yun? Open the door saan? Ta? Ito yung kinuha na natin. Hindi ito yun. In the door daw ito. Uy. Saan yung mga taguan dito para alam natin kung saan tayo tatago. Oh, may... Ito. Ito ba yun? Oo. A small Japanese doll with red thread tied around it. Ayun. Tayo ba yun? Ano nga yun? So dito, 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 dito. Yun, di ba? Sa Tommy Wing. Tommy Wing. Siguro safe naman na dito. Hindi, yun siya oh.
Are you going to break your promise and
Ayun
leave
oh.
me again? I've been waiting. Yoy, we promised. Stay with me.
Ano siya? Doon siya. Yun siya. Hoy! Patita tayo! Ay, hindi dyan, boy! Tago! Ate ng putik. Sana sa mata nun. Oh, we need to... Nandito siya eh. So, dito tayo dapat pupunta. Kaso, itaguan ba dito? Or kung... We need to find another taguan here to advance.
Are you going to break your promise and leave me again?
Dito ba tayo? Hindi naman.
Waiting.
Okay, the mechanism seems to be moving now. Confirm. O tapos, magkaano kaya dito yung ano? Oh, sobra.
I've been waiting.
Hindi naman siguro mag-i-interrupt dito yung ano, no? Paghaharapin lang naman natin tong dalawang to. Ay, pukin na! May ano? Diyos ko. Merong ano pala. Merong pala. Nag-ano pala siya. Rumoronda. Talaga. Kala ko nag-leave na siya ng ano. Ng area talaga. Anyway. Saan tayo? Ah, ayun ako natin yung ano. No, 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 no. Kunin natin yung ano. Yun po oh, yung dalo oh. Kunin mo po. Ha? Kailangan muna nating ano yun. Kailangan mo natin ma-unlock tong... okay, meron palang taguan dito sa ilalim. Oo. Hindi tayong magtago pala dyan. Okay, round 2.
Open the door. Open it.
Ay, bukin naman siya.
My
Open the door pala ha. Gago ka. Doon pala sa kabila dapat. And I think we shouldn't open that door. So ito, matik na to, hindi na tayo makikita dito. So unlock na natin yung trigger ng ano, puzzle.
Mia. Open the door.
Yung the door ng mukha mo.
Open it. Mayu.
Hindi. Naharang yun. Saan nga yun? Limutan ko na tuloy. Dito nga talaga. Oh! Bakit? Anong ginawa natin mali? Saan nga yung tatami na yun? Parang warehouse na maliit na kwarto yun eh. Don't open that door. Or mas maganda siguro kung ano, open na kagad natin yung door na yun. Ikaw mag-trans. Collect.
Mia, open the door. Open it. Mayu.
Ito yun eh. Kabilang storage yun eh. Kung nasan yung... Dito. Ay, hindi rin dun sa ano. Dun nga. Dun sa... Dito.
It won't open.
Oh? Umalis. Tago na, boy. Tapos saka natin i-open yung pinto. Ayun siya, oh. Nandito siya sa lugar natin, so...
Mia.
Saan ka?
Mia.
Woods. Hintay lang natin siya mag-pass dun sa ano.
Promise and leave me again. Are you going to break your promise and leave me again?
Let her pass.
I can't save Mayu without the camera obscura.
Ay, saan tayo pupunta? Wala akong idea. What's the objective na? Ooh, no. find something na kailangan natin matago. Pwede nating taguan. Somewhere na we can hide. Hide, and plan. Layo. Dead end pala to. Saan po pwede magtago? Na. Saan pwede magtago? Uy! Mahabol na tayo ng ano. Wala bang taguan dito, boy? Ito tayo sa una ng bahay. Okay, so we need to find a taguan. And nasa ground floor na tayo, boy. Saan yung ano? Second floor, first. Yung ano? Yung daan pa, ano? Pa ground floor. Ah, kailangan natin pupunta dito. Okay, sige. Ah, save muna tayo. Na natin pumunta dun sa camera obscura daw. Which is yung nahulog niya dun sa ano. Yeah. We will finally get our camera. Hulog yun. Ito na yun. Amputin mo na, boy.
I have to go back to that house.
tayo ng matagal para sa tatlong ano. Ay, wala na pala. Ano yung pinapaano niya? Saan yun? Ito. Ay, may tao. Maybe. Let's upgrade. Standard filter. Upgrade special shot. To repel spirits. Maximum attack ang gusto ko. Ano kasunod na nito? Babalik tayo sa ano? Pataas pala. Palitan natin yung film. At masyadong konti ng mga film natin. Yung 40 12 lang. And then the normal filter. Hindi na tayo matakot dito. Gawa ng ano. May camera obscura na tayo. Ito ulit tayo sa lugar na to. Ay, naku naman. Hindi na ba yun? Okay. Ulit tayo ng filter. So, saan tayo pupunta na? Ulit. Siyempre, dating gabi, check ulit ng mga dapat lusutan. Dito. Yung sabihin, dito mo ako pinapapunta.
It won't open.
Let's go save. Wait lang. Meron dito. Taguan. Ikala ko save. Na pupunta pero ganito. Tachibana House End. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Naka-block. Okay, lunar incense. Stairs.
It's
Mayu. Mayu boy. Ano? Ako kasi punta ng punta Mayu. Oh. Ano nga ba to? Ay, mali. Sorry. Okay. Eto, anong laman ito? Ah. So, kailangan ko bang puntahan yun? Natin, nakakasave lang naman din natin. Ay, may tao. Mayo. Well,
I'll be there soon. Mayu.
sino to? Hiding girl?
Hold on! Itsuki. You can't run away this time.
Huh?
Itsuki. Ichitose. Will never forgive you.
It's focal point. No. Pinahuli tayo dito. Ano siya? Ano siya? Tayo tinuturo ng ano eh. Dito. Ay. no. Tanong ko yun. Bago to Crimson Diary 1. The day after the festival, my big brother Itsuki came home all by himself. His hair used to be black, but now it's white, like snow. Where did Mitsuki go? Itsuki isn't talking to me as much lately. Not since Mitsuki stopped coming home. He's still really nice to me, but his eyes always look so sad now. What happened on the day of the festival? My big brother Itsuki gave me a bell. He said it'll help me know when something dangerous is close by, since I can't see so good. Whenever he hears the bell, he's always come running and help me. He also said it'll help him find me if I ever hide someplace and start to cry. Hindi ganun din ang gagawin ko. I'll use the bell to find you. To find you. Ay. Meron dal dito. So, dapat meron din dal dito. Ay! There's something here. Mali na naman po tayo. Hey, what's in here? Oh, prayer bead. Okay, good. But I need to find the other doll. Oh, isa. Where's your partner? Oh, hi! Dilim. Ano to? Ano gawin ko dito? Hanapin ko lang siya, ganun. Are you? Meron pa dito eh. Uy, dito ka. Oh, dito na ulit tayo. Ginagawa yun. Parang tagu-taguan tayo dito, ano, mama. I'm sure. Nandito daw. Tapos nagpakita yung ano, no? Ano, 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 saan ka ngayon? Saan ba siya pupunta? Guess we should, like, follow her na lang. Ayun, may samurai, oh. Pwede bang kunin ko yung samurai para isa samurai ko na lang? Paano? Makita, hindi ko makita. Layo. Eh? Uy, saan ka pupunta kasi? Laban tayo po. Paano? It's dark everywhere, inside the house and outside. Nobody else is here anymore, but the house feels full. Help me, Itsuki. I'm scared. I'm too scared to leave this closet. Save me. Patay na ata si Itsuki. O siya yung nakakulong. Wow. Boom. Ano, isa pa, sir? Okay, perish. Naman din. Clear bead, okay. And... ano ba yun? Saan ba pwede magtago yung babaeng? Ano ba? Lagi pa itong natakbo? Ano question lang? Dami ng ano, green, no, the paper. I happened to see Itsuki's little sister in the hallway. Normally, she's so afraid of strangers. When anyone from outside the household comes to visit, she always hides inside a closet and refuses to come out. But today, she acted a little different. It seems like she had something she wanted to tell me. but she holed up in that closet all over again without saying a word. Maybe she's trying to pass on a message or something from Itsuki. Who can say? Sa akin mo na lang sabihin, ako na magsasabi sa kanya. Crimson Diary number 3. This is Yae's fault. My big brother Itsuki got taken away somewhere. Why? Why did she do that? He didn't do anything wrong. He's the one who ran away. Yae yung ano. Belki. Etong Belki na pala yun.
Now I can get into that room and
Ano yung Belki? Belki. Yun. So, first floor. Papanik tayo. And then, yun lang.
save Mayu.
Oh, who you? Hindi naman siguro mabubuhay, no? Oh, hi! Makakalabanin kita? Hala! Lang. Kumano ka naman. Mga kalabanin, kakampi tayo. Ano ka lang ito? Lang. Patay, boy. Tagal ah. Wala na tayong film. Ayaw mag, ano, kasi mag-load ng puting. Ay, ako ba? Ano siya? Oh, isa pa? Oh, ano ba kasi yung ginagawa? Makakampi tayo dito. Ako na madaming ano. Malaking ano lang pala to. Sige. So, ito. Dito. Ubos yung film natin dun. Hindi ko pa rin talaga gets kung bakit ano. Diba, bagal nung iba mag-load. Tapos naka-ready na yung camera ko mag... Ano yun? Therapy X. So, punta tayo second floor. Nandun si, ano, diba? But before that, let's see yung mga film natin. Kung ano yung... Hindi mabagal, oh. Kita mo. Bagal ng loading. Isa, Infinite, isa. Ay, ilan lang ang film natin? Wala tayo ng film dito sa baba. Wala yung mga film natin dito. Inubos niya eh. Yun o. Pwede muna natin ito. Oh boy. Here tayo. Saan pa? Lang. Oh, yung ganyan. So 14 film and then ano nga yan? Prayer beads at Shibana Hall. Incense naman ito. Kids. Papakita ba ulit dito yung ano? I... Ano na boy? Okay, Phil. Okay. Asa na si ano? Mayu. Yan alis na alis eh. Kinukuha mo pa sa akin yung susi kung wala ka naman dito. Bound Diary 1. If Mitsuki and I become crimson sacrifices, then Yae and Sae won't have to undergo the ceremony themselves. Ah, okay. On the other hand, if our ritual fails, that can only mean one thing. The girls will be made the next crimson sacrifices. To be worshipped, there are no alternatives. Excuse me. All the more reason I have to get them both out of Minakami village while there's still time. This whole cycle can be allowed to continue any longer. There has to be another way. Even if our fates are set into stone, that doesn't mean Ya and Sai should have to suffer that same destiny too. They say that the old underground passage you can go from the Koreha shrine has been sealed off ever since another pair of twins fled the village a long time ago. As chief priest claims that the cavern suffered a collapse while they were fleeing, killing them. In his sorrow, the chief priest at that time fashioned the seal into the old tree that enshrines the remaining. But just because that route is sealed, that doesn't necessarily mean that the link between the deep path and the outside world has vanished. If the seal can be lifted somehow, then it might be possible to leave the village again. Uh-oh. The literal key to doing that is the pinwheel crest, which I've read are passed down within the clans of the four senior priests. For my part, I managed to find our family's crest in our storehouse. If you can go out of the deep path, then all you have to do is to leave the village is run straight through the forest. Just keep running and never ever look back. Whether Ya and Sae will have it in them to do that, though I don't know. They're both awfully nice girls. Too nice for their own good, if you ask me.
I think this is it. I might have found a way out of the village.
Nandiyan na yung ano. Yun na po siya. Nakita na po na tayo. Ano kaya natin to? Malalabanan kaya natin to siya? O tataguan pa rin?
Mia! Mia!
Ah, okay. Wala ko.
Mayu? I don't know what's happening to me. But no matter what happens, I'll forgive you. Mayu. Please don't leave me. Of course I won't leave you behind. I've been looking for you. Now, let's get out of here. Right.
Wait. What are you talking about, Mayo? You are the one who's always going around somewhere. Papahanap ka kung saan, tapos ako pa yung nangiiwan ngayon. Okay ka lang? Inaway.
With this key.
Oh, that ends the
To see Itsuki.
chapter 6. Okay, so ang next chapter natin ay of course chapter 7. Kaya nga,
Mayu.
di ba? Yun yung mga damit na binigay ko sa kanila doon sa pre-order. Yeah. Chapter 7 na pala tayo. So chapter 8 na pala tayo. So we'll be pausing this playthrough now, and then we will start chapter 8, and it will be uploaded to my YouTube channel. And you can also see there other chapters that we've played, sa mga nakarang araw. And yeah, so far so good yung game. Maganda naman. And ayun, I'll pause this video now, and thank you again for checking this out. See you again next time.